Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start dropshipping with Facebook Marketplace, full guide step by step clearly. To start dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace, begin by researching profitable products. Identify trending items that have high demand and low competition. Once you have a list of potential products, select reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Overlo, or Salehoo. Ensure these suppliers offer quality products and timely shipping. Create a Facebook account, if you don't have one already. Then, navigate to the Facebook Marketplace section. Click on Sell Something to begin listing your products. Write clear and engaging product titles that include keywords. Craft detailed product descriptions, highlighting features and benefits. Set competitive prices that provide a good profit margin. Take high-quality photos of the products from different angles. If possible, get permission from the supplier to use their images. Choose the appropriate category for your listings so buyers can find them easily. Consider using Facebook groups related to your niche for promotion. Engage with potential customers by promptly answering their inquiries. Once an order is placed, purchase the item from your supplier. Provide the supplier with your customer's shipping information. Stay in touch with your customer about the order status. After shipping, update the customer with tracking information. Monitor your listings regularly for inquiries and comments. Adjust your product offerings based on customer feedback and sales performance. Expand your product range as you gain experience and insight into what sells well. Consider investing in Facebook ads to increase visibility and reach more potential buyers. Continuously refine your marketing strategy based on analytics and performance metrics. Stay informed about Facebook Marketplace updates and changes to ensure compliance. Regularly evaluate your suppliers and product quality for a sustainable business model. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.